Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can just in few minutes connect your Facebook lead ads to Gmail in such a manner that whenever you receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, you are able to send a personalized mail to this particular lead you have captured from your Facebook lead ads. Now this will reduce a lot of your manual work, and you can also send a personalized message to your leads which will improve the trust of these leads on your business. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this automation just in few minutes using Pabbly Connect, let's start creating this step by step from the beginning. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can build a connection between Facebook lead ads and Gmail using Pabbly Connect. Now, this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use the 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that are forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Connect Access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. I am going to create it from the scratch. Name this workflow as automatically send emails to new Facebook leads, and now I need to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I am going to select it as Facebook lead automations and then click on create. Here, workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me, where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, automatically a personalized mail is sent, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in the trigger application, I will be taking Facebook lead ads, and in the trigger event, I am going to select new lead instant and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I have already logged into my Facebook account. I'm going to continue with the same account, and it is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization. And here it is, connection created successfully. Facebook lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter the page name and the lead gen form. To get this page name, I'm going to open Meta for Developers. To get this page name, I'm going to open my Facebook account, and this is the Facebook page which I have created, with the help of which I will be running all the advertisements by the name Digital Dynamics. So I'm going to select the page name as Digital Dynamics, and then I'm going to enter the lead gen form. To enter this lead gen form, I have to open Meta for Developers. You can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. After landing towards this page, I have to scroll down and then go towards this developer tools, and then I will be landed towards this page, from where I am going to go towards this lead ads RTO debug tool. So I have to scroll down and search for this option. Now I will be landed towards the lead ads testing tool, where I will be generating the lead. So first I'm going to select the page as Digital Dynamics, and then I'm going to select the form. Under this you can see all the forms which I have created. If I select the same form, I have to go back towards my workflow and select the same form. But over here you see that if you want to get the response from all of the lead gen forms, so you can simply select this all lead gen form. After selecting the page name and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on save and send test request, and you will see it will change to waiting for webhook response. And now I need to do a test submission in order to capture the webhook response here in this workflow. In order to do this, I'm going to open this lead ads testing tool and do a form submission. But before that, I'm going to delete a lead, and then I'm going to refresh this page once. After doing this, I'm going to again select the page and the lead gen form. When you will be running a live campaign, you do not have to do this again and again. After this, I'm going to click on this preview form. Now, as I do this form submission, all the details should be captured here in this workflow. So I'm going to go towards this. I'm going to click on this continue. I have entered these details, like the first name is demo, last name is user, email address is test@pabblytudes.com, and this is the phone number. I'm going to click on this continue, click on this submit here. As soon as the form submission is done, all the details should be captured in the workflow. Now here, let's wait for the webhook response. Here I have received the response. We can see the name is demo user, email address is test@pabblytudes.com. This is the phone number. Here, as soon as we have received the details, we can see the connection setup is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to send a mail, and I'm going to send it using Gmail. So I'm going to select my action event as send email and then click on connect. Now, if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on the sign in with Google. Choose your Google account with which you have logged in your Gmail, and after choosing that account, grant away the permission by clicking on this allow. You will see Gmail will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter these details. Now in the sender name, I am going to enter, let's suppose, Digital Dynamics. You can enter according to the requirement, and then the sender email address is already selected while we have built the connection. Next, we have to enter the recipient email address. I'm not going to enter like this now manually. Instead, I'm going to map it. To map it, I'm going to enter / go towards this Facebook lead ads and enter this email test@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to skip the CC reply to. I'm going to enter the subject. Thanks for your interest. Let's get started, and then I'm going to enter the email content. Here I have entered the message. Hi, thank you for reaching out through Facebook page. We are excited to connect with. We have received your inquiry and our team will get back to you shortly with the information you requested. So here I have created a message. I am going to create a personalized mail. For that, I'm going to enter / go towards this Facebook lead ads and map this name. Hi demo, thank you for reaching out to us through Facebook. Best regards, Digital Dynamics. So you see, I have entered or mapped the name. Now over here first, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response, and that's why we map it instead of manually entering it. After entering all these details, I'll hit save and send test request, but before that I'm going to select the email content type as plain. The label will be inbox. I'm going to skip the file name, attachment and the signature. I'm not going to enter any of these things. I'll simply hit save and send test request and wait for the response. Here, if you want to enter these details, you have to follow the help desk given below, and we have received the response. The mail has been sent. Let me open my mailbox and check whether I have received any mail there or not. Here I have received this message 0 minutes ago. You can see, hi demo, thank you for reaching out to us through Facebook. We are excited to connect with you. So it is sent by this Digital Dynamics to this test. So this is how we have sent this mail and build the connection between Facebook lead ads and Gmail using Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.